say it is like an exercise. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to start with the gong. Breathing in, breathing out, paying attention to the breath. And then allowing ourselves to think about an object we love, we enjoy. And if you're unable to think about an object, then thinking about an experience or a memory. And allowing yourself to enjoy the object in your mind at the moment, or enjoy the memory in your mind at the moment. And observing our enjoyment, the feelings, the positive feelings of enjoyment, allowing ourselves to feel it, watching it in the body. And then reminding yourself of the law of impermanence. So in front of your mind's eyes, is it possible to view the object being destroyed, either disappearing or breaking or getting damaged? Is it possible? If it is okay? This exercise, do it only if it is okay. If it is a memory, that you are cherishing, it is possible that the facts in the memory, whatever happened, may not be there. Maybe at that time everybody was healthy, and at this point, maybe they are not. Or the fact that memories are memories, you don't have it right now. How is it to let go of this memory or let go of this object? When I say it, the object getting destroyed or damaged, how is it? Watching what comes to our minds first. Are we stopping ourselves from feel bad? Are we stopping ourselves from experiencing the loss? Is that our first response? I shouldn't feel this way. I need to let go. Or is there great disturbance or anger or restlessness that comes in? Are you imagining how life would be without having that object? What are the stories that are coming to our mind? What scenarios are coming to our mind? What feelings are coming to our mind? Sincerely, not because of making something happen, but in the natural, most natural way, what feelings, thoughts, and stories and images are coming to our mind? And how did you lose this object? Is it just damaged? Is it destroyed? Has it disappeared? Depending upon how you lose it, maybe the story would change. So pick one scenario and observe how your mind is acting upon it or creating thoughts and feelings. Is it possible to just simply observe it and be okay with it? Is it possible? Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe it creates great disturbance, which is okay. Is it possible to watch the disturbance? Is it possible to accept whatever is coming to our minds? That's how it is at the moment. Is it possible to accept it? Not push it away, not resist it, not judge it, but simply observe what is happening in my mind. There may be a pattern. How does it feel like in the body when we are watching everything that's going on in our mind, all thoughts, feelings, stories, when we are observing it? How does it feel like in the body? Do you feel any tension? See if whatever feelings you feel or whatever thoughts are coming to your mind, are they changing as you're observing them? Is the intensity changing? Does the disturbance go away? Are you able to let go and be okay with the loss in your mind, in front of your mind's eyes? Or do you need to take time with that? Just observing. Is it possible to say to yourself, this will pass too? Whatever it is that is coming to your mind, this will pass too. If the mind is moving around, going somewhere else, gently bringing the mind to watching the feelings and thoughts around this, the loss of this object. and how you lose the object. Is it possible to actually visualize the loss of the object and then watch the drama that happens in the mind? And is it changing? And now coming back to here and now and having that object. And is it possible to focus on enjoying the object, smelling the roses, enjoying whatever aspect of that object that you enjoy, noticing it, paying attention to it? Allowing yourself to enjoy the object here and now at the moment. And now coming back to the breath, noticing the breath, taking a few deep breaths. And getting ready to leave this meditation.